Hello everyone. This video is going to kind of go through the steps that I'm taking to planning to prepare for my speech. The first part I think that's really important is the outline format, kind of, where I'm starting, where I'm going, and where I'm ending. So being organized throughout my entire speech, starting with a good introduction, and then a body of work, and then summing everything up with a conclusion. So I think that introductions are very big. You only get one chance to make a first impression. So getting the audience attention is something that I'm working on. Incorporating some sort of humor into my speech and using examples. I think using personal examples helps you relate with the audience and the audience relate with you. Stating my purpose, my central idea, and main points. I always like making points in threes. So, even stating, I want to talk about three things. The first thing is A, the second thing is B, and the third thing is C. So giving a real short introduction of what you're going to talk about to capture their attention. And then the conclusion. I think that it's very important in the conclusion for me to summarize my main ideas that I touched on throughout the entire speech. And using speech transitions. So I think that comments that lead from one point to another. So they're great to tell your audience where you have been and where you're going. And it kind of just helps make smooth transitions so you're not just abruptly going from one point to another and making things seem unorganized or awkward or just not things that don't flow very well. So I think that while I'm delivering my speech, I definitely want to be prepared. So I will actually physically give the speech to myself in a mirror multiple times to make myself more comfortable, more acclimated to the progress and planning and steps that I'm going to be going through. And being positive, nobody wants to listen to somebody who's down and negative and stuff like that. So being positive, having a good tone of voice, I think that'll help me deliver my speech. And then visualize. I think that having visual aids in speeches and presentations like this that I'm giving definitely help the audience watch and relate to the speech that you're giving. So that's really all I'm going to, the steps that I'm going to do to help deliver my speech this week. So thanks for watching.